Hi guys, my name is Saurabh. Welcome to my channel CBA Fitness. That's conceive, believe and achieve. So guys, today I am going to show you stretches. Basically the stretch we can just perform by standing, and it will be a static stretch. It means that we have to stand at one place and do this stretchings. I will be showing you the total body stretching starting from our head till our toe. So these stretching are very important. Before starting any workout or even any cardio exercise, you should always do the proper stretching. That way the blood start circulating in your muscles, and also it avoids injury. So watch me doing this stretching and you can try along with me. So let's begin the stretching. So guys, we will start with the stretching of our neck. So for neck, you can first start doing by rotating your neck clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you can perform this stretch for like maybe 4 to 5 times at each side. Once you are done with neck stretch, the next stretch you can do like up and down. So this gives a nice stretch to your neck. The next comes our shoulder. So for shoulder, keep your shoulder like this and just stretch it little back to an extent where you can feel a slight stretch in your shoulder. Don't stretch it too back, just a slight stretch. Once you're done with this, you can even do like this. So this also gives a nice stretch to your shoulder. After that, the next comes our chest. So for chest, keep your hands like this and just expand the chest like that. If you do this, it will just expand your chest. As you can see, the entire focus is on here. So just do this chest stretch. After that comes our arms. So for the arms, the first I am going to stretch my wrist. So you can just roll your wrist like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise, like that. The next stretch is waterfall. So as you can see, this is hold your wrist like this and just put it down. So as you can see, it gives a nice stretch to your wrist. You can even perform it straight. From this hand I am going to show. Just perform like that and also like this. Once you are stretched with your forearms, the next is our biceps. So keep your hands like that and just roll it over like this. Again, just stand like this and just roll it over. It will give you a nice stretch on your biceps. The next is our tricep stretch. You put your hands here and then just stretch. Just put your hand on back of your shoulder and just stretch your triceps. So it will give a good nice stretch here then. So that way your triceps are fully stretched. Once you are done with your tricep stretch, the next comes our oblique area. The basic is, first I will suggest you to do twisting like this. So this twisting is going to help you to give a nice stretch on your obliques. You can even try this by doing this. So once you are done with this twisting, the next I would suggest is put your hands straight and second hands like this. So as you can see, you are getting a nice stretch here. So this also gives a nice stretch on your obliques as well as it gives you a stretch on your lats. Suppose if you are feeling any trouble raising your hand and doing like this, you can even try like this. This is a little easy way, but our focus right now here is to stretch the muscles. So you can choose whatever you are comfortable with. Once we are done with oblique and lat stretch, the next comes our waist. So first the best thing is to rotate it like this, clockwise, then anti-clockwise. So this gives a good nice rotation to your waist. Second exercise which you can do is, you can just go little behind and just come forward. Again behind and forward. So this is also a nice stretch to your back. You can even try to go down and hands up. Go down and hands up. From side, go down. As you can see, I'm not bending my legs. Just keep your legs straight. Go down and straight. Now comes our legs. So legs, first you have to stretch like this. That gives a nice stretch to your legs. Then to stretch our quad region, this region. So keep your hands, legs straight and just go down. Don't bend it like this. Just keep it straight and go down and hold it for a second. When you hold it, you will feel a nice stretch on here. Just hold it for a second, like that. From this side I am going to show you. Just hold it for a second. Keep your legs straight. Don't bend it like this. Keep it straight, like that. The next is quad stretch. You can just hold your leg with one hand and just stretch it like that. You can even use something to hold. If you are not good in the balance, just hold something and just hold like this. Like that. This gives a nice quad stretch. Next comes finally the hamstring. Just keep your hamstring like this and just stretch it like that. So you can see the stretch will come from this leg. So guys, we are done with the total body stretching. These are the stretching which you can perform by standing, and it's a static stretch. In my next video, I will be showing you the stretching which we can do by laying on the ground. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Try this yourself and let me know what you think about it. Always remember guys, conceive, believe and achieve. Stay healthy.